Joe's Golden Garage. And another one, Hyundai Accent 2011 with 126,000 miles. We'll check it out here. Does anybody know what those are called? Manual windows. Little car runs good. Pretty clean little car. Very basic transportation, of course. Nothing fancy, but it's clean to have 126,000 miles. Check out this baby. She's very clean. Check for a little spin, see what we got. Oh yes, seatbelt, 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 seatbelt. Ding dong, ding dong. Okay, it's a little bit like a tin can. Hits the bumps good though. It's got a good ride. It's just wow, man, this thing's tight as a drum. But I just hear this kind of hollow sensation coming from the rear. Like I can hear an echo in the trunk. Yeah, this is basic transportation here, folks. But, you know, it's cheap and it runs good. Let's pop the hood. No warning lights. Do a little walk around here so everybody can remember what a 2011 Accent looks like. Pretty unforgettable. Very basic little car here. But it's got a straight little body on it. It's got cold AC. Double overhead cam. 16 valver. What size is this? God, it's had a timing belt change. And it was at about 108,000 miles, it looks like. So that's good. It's been maintained well. So, yeah. Most people don't change timing belts on cheap cars like this, and they let them blow up. But this one's had a timing belt change back in January. Yeah. Tires are cheap but decent tread. The ones on the rear look better. It's got a little boo-boo on the back, but a pretty straight body overall. This would be a pretty good little car for somebody, you know, just looking for transportation. Let's see if it's got any acceleration. Surely it'll get up better than that HHR did. Put my seatbelt on. Mother scratcher. Okay. Oh, there's a check engine light now. Still runs good though. Oh yeah, this is much better. Still no speed demon, but much faster than the HHR. This car actually starts out in first gear. That HHR did not. I don't know what the hell was wrong with that thing. I think it had some tranny woes. Tranny woes. 45 mile per hour speed limit. Oh yeah, to the floor, baby. Maximum output. All 106 horsepower. Oh yeah, she shifts like butter. I won't knock the little old car. I would drive it if I had to. Hell with that check engine light. This thing runs good. And someone's taking care of it too, you know. Anybody that's bothered to do the damn timing belt service on a cheap car like this, they have some sense of maintenance. There's some more of the VWs and Audis. Look at them. A sea of them. As far as the eye can see. That auction is next week. Always fun to go to. Anyway, okay, enough of the Hyundai. I'll see you with the next one. Peace.